Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is about a new Artline calligraphy pens which I bought. I got it from Amazon and I got it for rupees 200 and it comes in 4 colors. The color which I have ordered is a black. So let's open it. It comes with the 3 leads. So here are the 3 pens. It has 3 points, 1 mm, 2 mm and 3 mm point. Let's try how it works. Point I have taken is 3 mm. It's working nice, and the point it has is kind of chisel pencil or chisel pens. This is nice, the point 3 mm. Let's try a second one, point 1 mm. This is also having a point, chisel point, which we can hardly see, but let's see how it writes. Point 1 mm is, I can say, a normal gel pen kind of effect it's giving. Let's try point 2 mm. Oh, I'm sorry. Lovely. Now let's try writing a quote. So this is writing very well, and if you are a beginner or if you are thinking of going for a calligraphy writing, going to learn calligraphy writing, this is the best pen to start with. So this was all about today's video. Hope you guys liked it and hope you guys find it useful. If yes, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will be a great help. Thank you so much.